Good morning. Good morning. I am on my way to work now. I am on my way to work now. Could you please tell me the time? Could you please tell me the time? Can you pass me the salt, please? Can you pass me the salt, please? What are you up to this weekend? What are you up to this weekend? I didn't catch that, could you repeat it? I didn't catch that, could you repeat it? I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. Let's catch up over coffee soon. Let's catch up over coffee soon. Do you have any plans for tonight? Do you have any plans for tonight? I'm really looking forward to the holidays. I'm really looking forward to the holidays. Can we reschedule our meeting? Can we reschedule our meeting? I think we're out of milk. I think we're out of milk. Could you help me with this task? Could you help me with this task? I'm going to take a quick break. I'm going to take a quick break. What's for dinner tonight? What's for dinner tonight? I'm heading out to the grocery store. I'm heading out to the grocery store. Can you recommend a good restaurant around here? Can you recommend a good restaurant around here? I'd like to make a reservation for two, please. I'd like to make a reservation for two, please. Could I have the check, please? Could I have the check, please? Do you know when the next bus arrives? Do you know when the next bus arrives? Excuse me, could you direct me to the nearest ATM? Excuse me, could you direct me to the nearest ATM? I'm looking for a birthday gift for a friend. I'm looking for a birthday gift for a friend. I'm not really sure what to do about it. I'm not really sure what to do about it. It seems like it's going to rain today. It seems like it's going to rain today. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. How long have you been living here? How long have you been living here? It's a bit chilly today, isn't it? It's a bit chilly today, isn't it? Do you mind if I open the window? Do you mind if I open the window? This coffee is a bit too bitter for me. This coffee is a bit too bitter for me. Can we take a rain check on that? Can we take a rain check on that? I'm running a little late, sorry. I'm running a little late, sorry. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. Let's split the bill. Let's split the bill. Can you send me the details by email? Can you send me the details by email? I'm in the middle of something, can I call you back? I'm in the middle of something, can I call you back? That sounds like a plan. That sounds like a plan. I'm not a big fan of spicy food. I'm not a big fan of spicy food. How was your trip? How was your trip? It's nice to have a long weekend. It's nice to have a long weekend. Do you have any recommendations for a good movie? Do you have any recommendations for a good movie? I've been meaning to read that book. I've been meaning to read that book. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Would you like to join us for lunch? Would you like to join us for lunch? I think we need to talk. I think we need to talk. Can you believe it's already December? Can you believe it's already December? I haven't decided yet. I haven't decided yet. Do you know a good place to get coffee? Do you know a good place to get coffee? I think I've seen that before. I think I've seen that before. What do you think about this idea? What do you think about this idea? That's exactly what I was thinking. That's exactly what I was thinking. I'm just browsing, thank you. I'm just browsing, thank you. It's a bit too expensive for me. It's a bit too expensive for me. Could you explain it to me one more time? Could you explain it to me one more time? I'm looking for something a bit different. I'm looking for something a bit different. That's a good question. That's a good question. I'll think about it and let you know. I'll think about it and let you know. Can I take a message? Can I take a message? That's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. It doesn't fit me well. It doesn't fit me well. Can we talk about it tomorrow? Can we talk about it tomorrow? Do you need any help with that? Do you need any help with that? I'm here to see Dr. Smith. I'm here to see Dr. Smith. It's more complicated than I thought. It's more complicated than I thought. I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy to hear that. That makes two of us. That makes two of us. Could we move this to next week? Could we move this to next week? I'm not in a hurry. I'm not in a hurry. Take your time. Take your time. It's not what I expected. It's not what I expected. I'm looking forward to your feedback. I'm looking forward to your feedback. That's not like you. That's not like you. It's out of my hands now. It's out of my hands now. Let's aim for Monday. Let's aim for Monday. It slipped my mind. It slipped my mind. It's not up for debate. It's not up for debate. We're on the same page. We're on the same page. It's a deal. It's a deal. Can I get you anything? Can I get you anything? It's my treat. It's my treat. I owe you one. I owe you one. Let's call it a day. Let's call it a day. I'll see you first thing in the morning. I'll see you first thing in the morning. Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. That's over my budget. That's over my budget. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. Can you hold this for me? Can you hold this for me? I'll make it up to you. I'll make it up to you. It's worth a shot. It's worth a shot. I'm not feeling up to it. I'm not feeling up to it. It caught my eye. It caught my eye. I'm booked for the day. I'm booked for the day. Let's touch base next week. Let's touch base next week. It's been postponed. It's been postponed. I'm swamped at the moment. I'm swamped at the moment. Can we pick up where we left off? Can we pick up where we left off? It's a no-go. It's a no-go. I'm beat. I'm beat. Let's wrap this up. Let's wrap this up. That's out of the question. That's out of the question. Can we pencil in a meeting? Can we pencil in a meeting?